Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with Swagbucks. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make money with Swagbucks. So to make money with Swagbucks, follow these proven methods that allow you to accumulate, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. So this is Swagbucks. There are tons of ways here on how to earn money. Number one, we have here complete surveys. As you can see, your next card is just a few clicks away. So you can just earn money by just answering survey, get paid for doing nothing, earn with this amount, free Amazon trial, games, animals, and coins. So let's go to the home page. And like what I mentioned earlier, there are lots of ways on how to earn here on Swagbucks. So as you can see, before you proceed, you need to verify your account, go to your email, and then verify your account. So you can earn here through answering questions, play games, shop, and so on. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down here, there are tons of platforms and applications that you will experience. First, how to earn by answering questions. So you need to participate in surveys. So you need to complete surveys here. Surveys remain one of the easiest and most popular ways to earn on Swagbucks. Head to the answer question and pick surveys that fit your demographic. Tips for maximizing survey earnings. First, you have to fill out your profile surveys to ensure you get matched with relevant surveys. You can check daily for surveys and complete as many as you can. Be honest and consistent with your answers, as some surveys will test for accuracy. Look for high SP surveys, but balance it with time. Sometimes, shorter surveys offer a better SP to time ratio. Set a daily or weekly goal to stay consistent in earning SP through surveys. So that is number one. Also, you can take this daily poll, and what you're going to do is to participate here. Now, aside from answering question, you can see also this option or section where you can earn by just playing their applications here. So if you navigate to play section on the swag box, you can see here go to play tab. There are different types of games available. There are free games, puzzle games, card games, trivia games, and more. Free games are often listed in the play section where you can earn SP by achieving specific milestones or reaching certain levels. Some examples of popular free games include Swagbucks Live Trivia Game, Scratch and Win Virtual Scratch Off Cards, Swagbucks Games, a variety of puzzle and arcade games. Each game has its own rule, but generally you'll earn SP for reaching milestones, completing levels, playing for a certain amount of time, collecting in-game achievements. So earn SP by playing paid games. Download and play Swagbucks partner games. So downloading and playing games through their platform. You may need to reach a certain level or complete tasks within the game to earn points. You can earn SP through game tournaments, achieve game milestone, participate in Swagbucks gaming offers, play through Swagbucks Live or Trivia Game, earn SP for playing and watching games, and that's it. So there are tons of ways on how to earn here. Now, if you're looking for a specific game, you can just simply tap puzzle game only. You can also look for role-playing games only, strategic games, card and board, casino, shooter, and so on. So you can also sort and you can tap all iOS games only or Android games only. You can also sort, as you can see, if the top discs are facing down here, you can click most popular, recently added, reward low to high, and of course reward high to low. So you can just simply choose games here that offers high rewards. And aside from that, there is this shop section right here. So the shop section on Swagbucks offers an easy way to earn SP. By shopping online at a variety of popular retailers, here's how you can earn SP in the shop section. Of course, sign up or log in, navigate the shop section, select your preferred retailer, browse through the list of featured retailers, or use the search bar to find a specific store. Popular retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, eBay, and many others are often included in the Swagbucks shopping offers. Earn SB with online purchases. Once you find a retailer, click the link provided on Swagbucks to visit the retailer's website. And another category here is travel, but it's the same thing. So you can look for special deals and bonuses. Swagbucks frequently offers special promotions where you can earn extra SB for shopping at certain retailers. So you can use this, or these deals may include higher SB rewards for a limited time, bonus SB for first-time purchases or new users, cashback offers that reward you for spending a certain amount. Now, as you can see, aside from that, there is this redeem rewards, swag takes, mobile applications, swag button. So as you can see here in redeem rewards, you can just simply redeem rewards here. Exclusive offers including Payoneer, PayPal, and a lot of platforms right here. So aside from you can redeem rewards, if you tap the swag takes, it will take you directly into another page where you can earn money through participating in this section or this activity. Also for what you call this one, refer and earn. So of course you can earn by just simply sharing this link. So as you can see, there are 3 ways to invite. You can earn this 300 SB bonus for every referral. So you can just simply add their email address here. You can post this to this social media like the Facebook or Twitter, and you can share this referral link directly if they click this one and then sign up and participate in some activities here, then probably you will earn a referral bonus. So here are just a few ways on how to earn money or points here on Swagbucks. So as you can see, you can just simply complete surveys, shop online for cashback, watch videos, use Swagbucks search engine, play games, complete daily polls and tasks, discover deals and offers, refer friends, and use Swagbucks coupon. Aside from that, you can also earn SB through PayPal and gift cards. So there are lots of ways on how to maximize your earnings. So as a conclusion, Swagbucks offers a variety of ways to earn money online, from surveys and watching videos to shopping and discovering deals. By consistently participating and exploring all the earning methods, you can accumulate SB, which can be redeemed for real money or gift cards. Now, lastly, Swagbucks stands out as an easy, flexible, and trustworthy way to earn rewards in variety ways. So, it's free to join, accessible via desktop or mobile, and offers an extensive selection of rewards, making it an attractive choice for earning extra money or gift cards. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.